Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Bee with me. Dang it, shoulders. Man, it's been a while. My shoulders do not go up and down no more. Am I old?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Bee with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make vegan Cheddar Bay Crabless crab cakes. Let's get started. Y'all know I love to give credit where credit is due, so when I saw this Instagram reel from Pretty Brown Vegan where she made these crabless crab cakes, I said, oh, I gotta do that, okay? She didn't give me measurements. I looked to see if she had a website and everything, so we're gonna make it up as well. Let's get started. All right, y'all, we got on gloves so we don't get our hands dirty and our nails are not done. Amen. So it's a win-win. All right, so I have her video playing right here. She didn't give any measurements, y'all, so we have to make this up as we go. We're going to start off with a little bit of flour here. I'm going to use 2 spoonfuls. I don't know, y'all. It's no. I promise you, she didn't use no measurements. I promise y'all, she didn't. You know what? Let me do something better. Hold on. This is 1/3 a cup, okay? So we're gonna do 1/3. We're gonna do 1/2 a cup. What does that mean? Boom, okay? We're gonna use 5 Ritz crackers, and we're gonna just crumple them right on up in our mixture, okay? We're gonna use a little bit of baking powder. She said a pinch, so we're gonna pinch it. Hold on, girl, open up. We're going to put our hands in there. We're going to pinch it. That's a pinch. Let's use 2 pinches. Because I don't know. I did 2 pinches. Mix that on in there. Let's add in some Old Bay. Y'all know I put this in everything. Not too much, though. We're going to add the Bragg's 24 herb and spices. Just because I put it in everything. I'm sorry, y'all. I know. Just boom, okay? Because we're making something from the seed, we're gonna use our, y'all know I always say this wrong, futaki, our Nelly futaki. This stuff right here, hold on, this stuff right here, I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, bam. Y'all already know, Jane's crazy. Y'all sponsor me, stop playing. Bam, some black pepper. Some green onion. I'ma just do, how much is this? A handful. That's going in there. We got some red peppers and some purple onion. Also, we're gonna do a handful of purple onions. And y'all, I cut this myself. Shout out to me. Shout out to me. Y'all heard the TV on the background the whole time. My bad. If you had joined me for my live a week or so ago, we made heart of palm fried fish, and y'all told me to soak the rest in seaweed, and I did that. You don't have to do that for this recipe because we're putting seaweed flavor in there, but I just want to do full disclosure. Hold on. Still good. That these were soaked in seaweed for about 2 or 3 days, maybe more. But they still good though. They do smell. Ooh, they are infused. I ain't gonna hold you. Okay, let me cut these up and I'll be right back. It's 4 sticks. It's 4 of these in here. So I can give y'all that measurement. Hold on, please. All right, so I have roughly chopped those 4 heart of palm I was telling you guys about. So we're gonna put that, actually hold on. Before we put that in there, let's go ahead and put in a little bit of our vegan egg in here as a binder. So I got a little bit of our just egg. I would say I'm about to put about 2 tablespoons in there, okay? Boom, maybe 3. Let's do 3. Let's put in our heart of palm. Get everything all coated. We're not done quite yet, y'all. Hold on. Let's use about 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo. Some mustard. Mix that on in. I'm gonna use my hands in a minute, y'all. We gotta get down and dirty. And of course, the star of the show, we gotta use some vegan cheddar. I'm using Life because that's what I already had in my fridge, okay? I did not go out and buy this. I already had it. How much you finna use, Erin? A handful. A handful. If I had to guess, that's about 1/2 cup. Mix that in. Oh wow, smells really good. However, I do want to up a little bit of Old Bay, just a little bit more Old Bay. It smells incredible though. Boom, that's it. All right, whether you have gloves or you're using your bare hands, it's time to get down and dirty. Take your plate.
Yeah, it's a Christmas plate. I got some left over. Yeah. Yeah.
Take your plate, and we're gonna put some panko breadcrumbs on there. I'm gonna season these with a little bit of the Jane's Crazy. You can use whatever you want or no seasoning at all. And we're gonna take from our mixture and we're gonna form a patty. Just patting it down, covering it up. I am so excited. Are y'all excited? Okay, cool. Y'all, I hope y'all didn't think I recipe tested because I didn't. No, I didn't. Just going by faith, not by sight. Alright, we're going to place this right into the heated skillet. Alright, let's flip our first one. Y'all know my stove is crooked. I know you're like, girl, why your oil on one side? I don't know. The table is flat. But the stove is crooked. I'm about to order another one because I am confusion. I know this one ain't ready to flip. So we're cooking these about 3 minutes on each side. So we'll be back. I know y'all don't want to stare at this for 3 minutes because you got stuff to do. Y'all, I'm so upset. I just realized I never put no lemon juice in the crab cake mixture. Y'all know lemon and seafood go together real bad. Real bad. So be better than me. Little lemon juice. Like a little, you ain't been using measurements, Aaron. I know. I would say like a teaspoon? So put lemon juice in it. Now I do have a little bit of the mixture left. I got this much of the mixture left. And I have my cheat and I have my zesty lemon paste, okay? We gonna do it with this one, okay? We're gonna put a little, you'll see it, but I just want y'all to know I forgot and I wanted to acknowledge that, huh? I forgot the lemon. Moving on. Now let's flip this one as well. Oh, there we go. A little bit more brown, how I like it. Okay, so we got this one right here done. So let's go ahead and try this one. Let's take this one off the heat. For some reason, it don't want to focus on my little crab cake, but boom, we got this one done. We get y'all bim. Okay, so let's try this one out. Oh, I'm so excited. Are y'all excited? I'm excited. Okay, let's get a cheddar bay crack. Oh, how does it cut? Soft. Okay, hold on, let me show y'all. Crispy on the outside, but soft on the inside. But what does it taste? Oh, I'm so excited. Smile at it. That really tastes like a crab cake biscuit. Like what is a crab cake biscuit? I can't even talk. What does a crab cake biscuit taste like? This. I don't know what I would eat this with. She put more butter on top. It don't need more butter. To me. But what would you eat this with? I guess just with some rice. I don't know. Hot. That bite was hot. If you forget your lemon, it's okay. Y'all, this really tastes like crab cake and okay, let me stop eating it. We gotta make the one with lemon. We gotta make the one with lemon. This is so good. So again, I'm gonna be using my zesty lemon paste. So just a little bloop. That's probably too much because it's a paste. Can y'all even see the bloop? That's what I put in there, little bloop. Okay. And this made a lot of crab cakes. Like if you make them smaller than what I did, I think you could get like 5 or 6 out of here. Because I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I made 5. So you probably can get 7 or 8. If you just make them small, depending on what size you make these. Alright, I'll be back, y'all. Y'all, the light is not giving what the light needs to give. You would think after being on YouTube for what, 7 years, that I would know what I'm doing. I don't. I don't. I just bring y'all good home chef recipes. Amen. But y'all, I don't know what we're going to call this pasta I made up. I just did not want any Alfredo. I was like, Alfredo's not going to go with this crab cake. So what y'all want to call this? Chipotle. Smoked chipotle, because we put smoked paprika. Smoked chipotle cream spinach. Baby, it's good. It is so good. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I was eating the noodles. Y'all. I don't need no hot sauce because it has that smoky flavor already. It's so good. Let me try it with the crab. Let me try it with the crab cake. Got the spinach in there. Oh! Okay, let's twirl it. Hold on. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. This is delicious big back behavior. It's giving big back. It's giving delicious big back with the sauce on top. Y'all should be watching this video from the store. Go to the store. You might already have some of these ingredients at home if you go to the store. Yeah, that lemon. Ooh. I'm so sorry. Alright, I just took a swig of some juice that I hope is not bad in my fridge. I don't even remember which one we added lemon to. I think it was the last two. So let me take a bite of this one. I totally forgot about the lemon one. Because I just ate this, this is still good, but it don't compare to this. You see what I'm saying? Add the lemon either way. Ain't nothing wrong with no lemon. I just can't guarantee. I'm not gonna lie to y'all and be like, oh my God, it's so much better with the lemon. This flavor is so powerful and delicious, not salty, that, I mean, just having the crab cake by itself now is like, ugh. But baby, the crab cake by itself is busting too. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted, okay? All right, let me sign out because I'm finna eat that. I'm finna eat that. Y'all didn't tell me my TV was on again. How long was the TV on? Was the TV on the whole time? As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace. This video was almost perfect except I left the TV on. Almost a good video. Oh, also, quick church announcements. Me and Be For Real are doing Dottie Vegan again on February 14th. And then we're going to have a vegan kickback on February 15th, the following day for the singles. Singles are welcome to come to the 14th event as well, but we're just going to say the 14th will be more of the plated style, whereas the 15th will be buffet style, party, music, more kickback, okay? So get your tickets at eventbrite.com. I'll have everything in the bio, in the description down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.